Hello guys, welcome to my channel from Mars Table with Love. Check out my latest Dussehra special recipe video on Pulihora or tamarind rice, which is spicy, tangy all at once. It is made with tamarind pulp seasoned with roasted peanuts and curry leaves. It is very famous in South India and I'll be showing you the Andhra version of it. I'll be linking the video over here or you can check it out in the description box below. Today I'll be bringing you one of my favorite desserts, that is Bellam Paramannam Jaggery rice pudding gur ki kheer made with rice and green gram split, sweetened with goodness of jaggery, perfectly blended in rich, creamy and flavorful milk with gist of cardamom and garnished with coconut and dry fruits. So without wasting time, let's move on with our recipe. Step number 1. Soak handful of Sabudana for 4 to 5 hours. This step is optional, but by adding Sabudana it gives a different texture altogether. Step number 2. Take half a glass of rice and 1 tablespoon of green gram, that is moong. Wash it thoroughly. Rest it for half an hour. Keep in mind that this proportion serves 2 to 3 people. Step number 3. Fry cashews or kaju in half to 1 tablespoon of ghee and raisins until golden brown. Now take grated coconut and fry them. This is optional, but if you add grated coconut, it will give a different flavor to paramannam. Let's move on to step number 4. In a vessel, add little bit of water and add 5 cups of milk. Let the milk get heated up. Drain the water from Sabudana and now it's time to add it in the milk. Cook the Sabudana till it gets transparent. Let's add some dry fruits. Keep stirring it on low flame until the milk is boiled. Let's look at the benefits of jaggery while the milk is getting boiled. It removes breathing disorders. It is anti-allergic. It detoxes and relaxes respiratory muscles. It clears body from toxins. It helps with digestion and constipation. It cleanses the blood, leaving your body healthy. You can see that the milk is boiled now. It's time to add soaked rice and split Moong Dal. Keep stirring it on low flame and let the rice cook. The paramannam has a tendency to stick to the vessel, so keep stirring it. When the rice is 85 to 90% cooked, turn off the stove and let it breathe for 5 to 10 minutes. Add jaggery slowly into the milk. Never add jaggery in hot milk or when the stove is on, as it may curdle the milk. Stir it well and let it cook on minimal flame. Add cardamom powder. Add remaining dry fruits. Garnish it with grated coconut in the end. Cover it with the lid for 1 or 2 minutes and at this stage you can add milk as per your preference or if you think the paramannam is too thick. And now it's time to relish this rich and very flavorful sweet. Stay tuned, kitchen tips ahead. Before you pour the milk inside the vessel, rinse it under cold running water. The cold water will act as an anti-burning protective layer. Also add 1 or 2 tablespoons of cold water before adding milk. It will prevent the paramannam or milk from sticking to the vessel. That's it for today, guys. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up, and for queries or suggestions, please comment below and subscribe. It's very much valuable for me and it's totally free. Don't forget to hit the small bell icon for my latest updates. Until then, keep spreading love, peace and stay safe. From Mars Table with love.